Hey guys, so Apple's Unleashed event is taking place today and we are just a few hours away. This one will be Mac centric and the company is expected to announce at least the MacBook Pro 14 and MacBook Pro 16. Apple tomorrow has published renders of the upcoming MacBook Pro 2021 and they perhaps provide the clearest look we have had on the new MacBooks to date. As can be seen in the renders, Apple is indeed switching to the taller 14:9 displays. The bezels on all sides have been reduced significantly, so much so that there is no place to fit in the familiar MacBook Pro labeling, although we definitely won't be missing that. Both models are also expected to come with mini LED displays with support for 120Hz refresh rate. Apple may also remove the touch bar in favor of a physical row of function keys. The renders have also shown that the new MacBook Pros would be getting more ports than the current models. As can be seen in the renders, both MacBook Pros should launch with at least a full-sized HDMI port, 2 Type-C ports and MagSafe charging. Powering these laptops will be Apple's own M1X silicon instead of Intel's processor. The exact specifications of the M1X aren't known, but we do know that the new chipset will have more processor cores, more GPU cores, and support for more external monitors. According to a previous information, this new high-performance chip will offer as many as 16 performance cores and either 16 or 32 GPU cores compared to 7 or 8 cores available in M1 chip. So that is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.